What happens when we sculpt a phoenix's feathers from wax, demand that it burn brighter, and blame it for falling? These days, a good wingman can be worth more than just 4/4 of flight. But for me, in high school, I used to think that only applied when the guy next to me was wearing the same jersey, that the moment we stepped off the court, our shot clocks were no longer in the same time zone. So during basketball practice, I pretended not to notice how the toes of my teammates gripped the foul line like a tightrope, how they clutched rubber globes between their palms as if shooting the world through a metal equator was the only way to keep the sky from falling on their families. What impossible balance. Running suicides to survive. Finding freedom in a cell of paint and hardwood, and there I stood, sweat dripping down my face, stinging my vision into an unexistent comfort, not wanting to believe that maybe not all is well in winning. That my biggest failure as a teammate, as a wingman, was accepting that the game was over when the clock melted into zero, and denying that my friends had been stripped of their wings and forced to begin and end as ash.